You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To access your cabin air filter, you will need to completely open the glove box. Push the actuator arm located to the right of the glove box to release it from its slot. Press on each side of the glove box to release the plastic tabs from their slots. Then open the glove box completely. Push the 2 tabs of the filter tray and pull on them. Remove the filter from its tray. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of the airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Place the filter in its tray. Then put the tray back in its slot. Close the glove box until the plastic tabs lock. Clip the actuator arm back into its slot. Operation complete.